Hello guys, in this video we will receive a message from Azure Service Bus Queue in Visual Studio. For that we will use ServiceBusClient and ServiceBusReceiver. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So we are in Visual Studio. Let's say create a new project, console app. Let's say ServiceBusReceiver, next, and create it. Now to receive message from Service Bus Queue, we will first need Service Bus Client, then we will need Service Bus Receiver, and then we will receive the actual message. So we will say receive the message, right? So let's first install required NuGet package. So I will right click over here, NuGet, browse, let's type Service Bus. Now let's install this package, that is azure.messaging.servicebus. Accept. So now let's create Service Bus Client. Service Bus Client is equal to new Service Bus Client. So before that we will need connection string and also the queue name from which we will read the message, right? So we'll say string and then string So let's first go to the Azure portal and retrieve connection string and queue name. So I am in Azure portal. Let's open our service bus namespace, that is first service bus demo. Under that let's open this queue. Under settings, under shared access policies, let's open this policy. So that is our connection string for this queue. So let's copy this primary connection string. Let's go to the Visual Studio. I will paste it over here. Again let's go to our portal and let's copy this queue name. So let's pass this connection string over here, right? Now let's create Service Bus Receiver. So I'll say Service Bus Receiver. Service Bus Receiver is equal to Service Bus Client dot create receiver, and to this we will need to pass the queue name. So we have created Service Bus Client and then Service Bus Receiver, and now let's actually receive the message. Okay, so I will say Service Bus received message is equal to Service Bus Receiver dot receive message async. Let's add await over here, and finally let's say console dot write line. I'll say message has been received. So let's add a debugger over here, and before we run this program let's actually cross check in Azure portal if we have that message. So we'll go to the portal, and so we are in this queue, that is our first queue. I will go to Service Bus Explorer. I'll say pick from start. If I click over here, so yeah, we have this message, that is hello from C# and Visual Studio. So let's go to the Visual Studio and run our program. So we'll run it. So our debugger has been hit, and let's go to the Visual Studio, and if I take my mouse to this message, if I expand this, see the body, that is hello from C# and Visual Studio, and that is the message which we actually received from Azure Service Bus Queue. Okay, So that's it guys. Thanks for listening.